immune system be persuaded to fight cancer? In order to answer this question, let's talk about how it protects us from bacteria and viruses. The immune system is composed of white blood cells, of which there are many types, each with their own unique roles in identifying and destroying outside invaders. But for the sake of simplicity, let us reduce the immune system to only two kinds of cells. One of these is called a dendritic cell, the other called a T cell. To use a military analogy, dendritic cells are like the recon scouts, while T cells are like the fighting generals of the immune system. Dendritic cells stand watch throughout the body and can sense chemical differences between self cells and outside microbial invaders. When they sense these differences, they actively collect unique proteins from these threats and decorate their own surfaces with the intruder's personal proteins. The dendritic cells then travel to areas of the body called the lymph nodes. Here, they present or show the invader's proteins to the T cells, which then divide rapidly, forming a disease-fighting army, which then leaves the lymph nodes to go on a search and destroy mission. Clearly, our immune system is a powerful force, but can it be persuaded to fight cancer the way it fights bacteria and viruses? Check out our next video to find out.